Finding employees is difficult for businesses right now, for a variety of reasons. Some of the main challenges include wages not keeping up with inflation, higher business costs, an increase in single-income households, and baby boomers retiring from the workforce. These factors leave businesses with fewer potential employees to choose from. In addition to limited labor, resources such as raw materials and even office supplies increase in cost and decrease in availability, driving down profit and your ability to retain good people. Struggling to find the right employees, managing raw materials, or want to improve productivity? Business owners, managers, and consultants are re-looking at process improvement to maximize labor, materials, and time. Due to growing awareness and interest, business owners, managers, and consultants are enrolling key leaders into Six Sigma and Lean business-to-business classes to further their knowledge and skills. OpEx90 will help your team to improve problem solving, streamline your lines of effort, and increase efficiency. Our consultation and education teams are here for you. Let us know how we can help.